Good afternoon, my dear student. That as you know, the last day we already taught this one. I already taught you that about the first assignment 11 and assignment 12 from the mental and book, and 12 I complete up to number A. So today we do from number B. Start from number B. So you see in your book page number 14 that from the number B. Number B is given that put inside that which one is the less than. First, if the arrow less than, greater than, either it's a greater than, less than, and equal between these three. Which one it happen? So first is given 82 lakh 11,331. Okay, minus 1,000. Now put one box that is given. Now 82 lakhs 11,331 minus 100. Now you have to find out which one is a bigger and which one is a smaller side. You can see here, if we subtract from the 1,000, that time this 11 place is a 1,000 place. So this place is being reduced 1. So 11 minus 1 is the 10. So now it became 82 lakhs 10,331. And here is the, if we subtract it, 331 subtract 10, so then it's come 231. So 82 lakhs 11,231. So here is the 10,000, here is the 11,000. So which one is the bigger? 11,000 one. Okay. Now see the next one. That 46 lakh 13,123 plus 1,000. Now give one box. Then after that 46 lakh 15,123 minus 100. Now sheet here also the same, that here is the 46 lakh 13,123 plus 1,000. Now which one is the 1,000 row? This one is the 1,000 row. So if 1,000 add with the 13 plus 1 is the 14,000. Now is the 14,000. So here is the 100 being subtract from the 123 is the 100 column. So it being 23 only, 023. So which one is the bigger now? That here is a 46 lakh 14,123. And here is a 46 lakh 15,000. So which side is the bigger? This side is the bigger. Now see the next one. That 66 lakh 99,440 plus 100. And give one box again. That 66 lakh 99,414 plus, here is a plus 10,000. Okay, plus 10,000. Now see, here is a 66 lakh 99,414 plus 100. Now 414 plus here, so is the 100. That means 540. Okay, now here you see that 10,000 means 66 plus 10,000. 66 plus 10,000 is the 66,000 plus 10,000 means 77,000. 77,000 plus 77 lakh 99,440 here. So here is a 66 lakh 99. Here is a 76. Here is a 76 lakh. So which one is the bigger? That which one is the 76 lakh. So this one is the bigger side. Now go see for the next one. The next is given. The next is given 79 lakh 63,655 subtract 100. And here is the one box, that 79 lakh 63,555 plus 100. Now what will happen? That is 79 lakh 63,655 minus 100. So is the 555. Now here is the 79 lakh 63,000 is the 555 plus 655. So which one is the bigger? This one is the bigger one. So by this way, see the last one. that 23,65,999 subtract 1,000 in box, that 23,65,999 minus 500. Now if we subtract here 1,000, that means here the 64,000. So 23,64,999. Here is if we subtract the 500, then 499. Now which one is the bigger? That this one is the 64 lakh. This one is the 65 lakh. So this one is the bigger one. So this one is the 65,000. This one is the 65,000, and this one is the 999, and this one is the 499. So which one is the bigger? So this one is the bigger one, because you have the 64 and the 65. That is why this one is the bigger one. Now see the last is 35,88,666 plus 1,000. Now here is the 35,89,666. So 88,000 plus 1,000 and 89,000. 35,89,666. Here also 35,89,666. So it's the equal sign. So by this way you have to solve this one. Now already I missed this one. That open the exercise in the backward exercise. Assignment 9, page number 11. Just open it. Assignment 9, page number 11. See here is a round of the number to the nearest 10. You have to round up the number into the nearest 10. So first you have to round up it, the number. First is the number A. The number A you have to round up it in the 629 is given. So what is the round up number? This one is a 10. So which one is the closer, 30 or 20? This one is the 30 is closer. So 630 is the round up. Second is 7,158. Now which one you have to make round up it? If you have to remember that any digit it being 5 or more than 5, that time it being convert into the next digit. If it less than 5, then it can stay in the previous digit. Like I give one example, that 23 and 27. Now 23 is the less than 5, so we can take this one 20. But 27 is the more than 5, 7 is the more than 5, so we have to take the 30. Because the next digit, if it cross 5, then you have to take the next digit. Now here is a 58, so that means 7,160. Now see the next one, 5,533. So this one is the 5,533. So 3 is the less than 5, so it's the 30. Now see 466. It been convert the 466. 6 is more than 5, so 470. Now 708, it being 8 is more than 5, so 710. So by this way you have to do it. So your work is page number 11. It's your homework, this one. Page number 11, that A, another side, number A, one side I already did. Another side you have to complete, second side. You have to complete it. Okay? See the number B. Number B nearest 100, like the same way. If it will come, that nearest 100, like this one is given, that 57. Okay? One is given 54. So which one you have to take? That nearest 100 one you have to give. Either it will come that 108 and one is given 104. So which one you have to take? 108. That means you have to go for the next, or the next 100 you have to be take. Always you have to be get 0. But if the below 50, like it is given 155 and one is given 130. So which one you have to make it 100? 155 means above 50. So it being converted into the 200. It's 130. So below 50. So it being converted into the 100. By this way you have to make the round up in 100. Means it's above 50, then 50 or above 50, you have to take the next digit. If it's below 50, you have to take the previous digit. Now see the 2,685. So 85, it's more than 50. So 2,700. Second one, 4,509. Now here is 4,500. 9 is the very less, so 4,500. Now 858. Now 58 is more than 50, so it being 900. Now here is a 2,129. Now 29 is the less than 50, so 2,100. Next 502. So is the 502 is very less, so it's being 500. So number B also second side. It's your homework. Now see the number C. Number C is the 1000. So 1000 you have to understand that when I give example that 560 and another one is given that 430. Now you have to make into the 1000. You have to remember that. You have to make into the 1000. Now here is a if above 500 or more than 500. That time you have to take the next one. If it less than 500, you have to take the previous digit. Now here is given 6,385. Now 385 is a less than 500, so you have to take the previous one. So is the 6,000. Okay. Now you have to take 4,877. 877. This one is the more than 500, so you have to take it 500. Sorry, 5,000. Now 6,759. Now 759 is more than 500, so 7,000. Next is 3,229. So it's being 220 less than 500, so it's being 3,000. Next is 1,764. So it's being the 764 is more than 500, so it's being the 2,000. So also the C number second side. The another side you have to be complete. So I hope you have to understand it. It's very easy. Only one thing you have to remember, that why you have to make the round of 10. That if any number is come 5 or more than 5, you have to take the next digit. If it comes less than 5, 1 to 4, that time you have to take the previous digit. And the same way, if you have to make a round of 100, that time if any number will come less than 50, that time you have to take the previous number. If any digit will come more than 50, 60, 70 like that, 55, 60, 70 like that, you have to take the next digit. And like the same way in the 1000 time also, if any digits, their number is less than 500, that time you have to take the previous digit. If any digits number, they are increased more than 500, like the 700, 800, 600, 550, like this type of numbers, that time you have to take it the next digit. So by this way you can do it very easily. So this is about the round up. So today up to here, next day we solve the another assignment question. Thank you.